If you're working on a second generation, 2016 to current day Jeep Compass and are having trouble getting the car to start, make sure the front bumper wiring harness is plugged into the vehicle. In this video, I have the front bumper off of the car. The key fob is inside the car, and with my foot on the brake and pressing the start button, the car won't turn on. The front bumper wiring harness must be plugged into the vehicle to get the car to start. Either place the front bumper back on the car and connect the front bumper wiring harness to the vehicle, or removing the wiring from the front bumper and plug it into the vehicle up front, and you could wrap it up and tape it to the car. Hopefully this helps, and it was an easy fix to why this Jeep Compass won't start. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more Jeep Compass DIY videos. Thanks for watching.